YouTube, what's cracking? My truck is being ruined. It's been ruined. Oh my God. Oh, I got baby dolls in my truck.
Yep.
I got a training potty in my truck.
Yep.
Oh my God. Man, I already had to dump some poo out the potty trainer. I already had to dump some pee out the potty trainer.
Yep.
This one did it. Oh, my truck is ruined. Oh my God. What am I gonna do? Oh, you girls have ruined my truck. It's not even tough anymore. My truck isn't tough anymore.
Wow.
Yes, wow. It's got baby scent poop and pee all in it. It's got baby doll toys has been in my truck. Get away! Get away! You ruined my truck. Suerte a soco.
Come on, son. Let's go.
I got crumbs all on the bed of my sleeper. Oh my God, it's been ruined. It's not supposed to happen like this. These are repercussions and circumstances of being broken down. When you break down, it's gonna cost you, baby. I'm supposed to be at home right now, but I got this load. This load is 2 days late. It's supposed to be on home time. You know, I got this delicate balance scheduled at my crib. This load got rescheduled on one of those bad days. And this is one of those bad days. Man. You know, I don't mind my children in the truck, you know what I'm saying? You always hear these truckers talking about they were in their father's truck, and I remember when I was little hanging in my papa's truck. But I don't think any of those little kids back in the days done took a poop and a pee in their papa's truck in a porta potty trainer. Look at this thing. My truck has been ruined. Oh my God. Oh.
Don't fall, okay?
It's been ruined. What am I gonna do? All the baby dolls that they brought in here to play with, man, while my truck is getting unloaded. I'm sure I'm gonna be getting down the road. I'm gonna stop at a truck stop. I'm gonna be cleaning up my sleeper. I'm gonna find goddamn baby doll dress, and it's gonna piss me off. Shit, man. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Get on the mic and complain on YouTube. You know what I'm saying?
Mom, are we going?
We gotta wait to get unloaded. We're not going anywhere. This is a sit and wait game. This is a hurry up and wait game, okay? You're involved now. Both of you. You're in deep. You understand? You don't know how deep you're in this. You're up to your brows in deepness. Pee and poo. Oh, shit. You are a girl.
No.
What are you? You're Sakura? Okay. That's right. Know who you are. Go sit down. Go play with your sister.
Yeah, let's go play.
You know what I'm saying? I'm venting about you girls right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting this off my chest. You know? Man. Nobody called me. Broker didn't call me. Homeboy I'm leased on to didn't call me. You know what I'm saying? I roll up into this spot 3 o'clock in the morning. I go to sign in. They say, oh, you've been rescheduled for 4 o'clock tonight. Oh my God.
That's wonderful.
It's just been a terrible 2 days, man. You know what I'm saying? Being broken down, it just don't wash away clean that quick. It's either gonna mess up your schedule, it's gonna mess up your wallet, and you're gonna have to start over. I mean, your start back is gonna be ugly. You know what I'm saying? This is my start back right here.
Pizza.
Get the baby doll out of my camera!
Okay.
Ah! Ah! You ruined my truck! Oh, I need to go beat somebody up. Oh,
It's okay, baby.
it's okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's okay, baby.
you ruined my truck. Oh my
You can always
God.
fix it, you know.
I cannot fix this. Certain things cannot be fixed. You understand?
Like what? Be quiet, my
I
baby.
don't know. I don't know.
A broken nose can't be fixed.
It's like you guys cut the pistons off my truck.
What are pistons?
You don't need to know about pistons. Oh man, I'm going delirious. You know what I'm saying? These kids need to be at home, running up and down them stairs, running through the house, tearing apart their bedroom. They can't be doing this to my truck, man. They're doing it to my truck. I never thought I'd see it happen. Shit. You know, man, certain things in life, man, you cannot avoid, man. You can't protect yourself from it. You know? If they papa be a trucker for so long, they will end up in the truck one day. Peeing and pissing, pooping and shitting in my truck. Eating peanut butter and jelly sandwiches in my bunk. Rapunzel is a word that should not be said in my truck. You understand what I'm saying? Do you understand what I'm saying? You better change her name.
How
That is
about?
not Rapunzel. Okay?
But her name's supposed to be.
That's Derek and Rodney.
What?
All right.
This is a girl, everybody. This is a girl.
Derek and Rodney.
Yes. Hello, Rapunzel.
You know what? It's about to get very violent up in here, man. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm out. Y'all don't need to see this. Y'all do not need to see this, YouTube. Back up.